1. 1970 Oldsmobile F85 Street Drag Car. Price, $36,000, located, Glasgow, Kentucky. This 1970 Oldsmobile F85 Street Drag Car is a highly developed race machine that combines classic Oldsmobile styling with proven drag strip performance. Owned by the same enthusiast for more than 4 decades, the car has undergone numerous upgrades and refinements throughout its lifetime, evolving into a serious street and strip performer. Finished in green with a matching green interior, this F85 stands out from the crowd while maintaining the character that makes vintage Oldsmobile muscle cars so desirable among collectors and racers. Under the hood sits a powerful BTR 496 cubic inch engine with an estimated build cost of approximately $24,000. The engine is paired with a dependable Powerglide transmission and a 12-bolt rear axle equipped with 4.10 gears. This combination has helped the car achieve an impressive best quarter-mile performance of 9.84 seconds at 134 miles per hour. Weight-saving upgrades include a fiberglass hood, lightweight bumper components, and Lexan rear and windshield panels. The vehicle remains a strong and competitive performer while retaining its classic appearance. Combining documented ownership history, substantial performance upgrades, and proven track results, this 1970 Oldsmobile F85 represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a fast and distinctive vintage drag car. 2. 1980 Ford Mustang Fox Body Drag Car. Price, $16,000, located, Clay City, Kentucky. This 1980 Ford Mustang Fox Body Drag Car is a purpose-built racing machine designed for serious bracket and drag racing competition. Built around a lightweight 2x3 tube chassis, the car has been carefully assembled with performance, consistency, and durability in mind. The Fox body platform remains one of the most respected choices in drag racing, and this example showcases the extensive modifications needed to compete at a high level. The car features lightweight metal doors, Lexan windows throughout, a fiberglass front end, fiberglass hatch, hood scoop, and aerodynamic body components that help reduce overall weight. The rear suspension utilizes ladder bars, adjustable coilover shocks, and a strengthened Ford 9-inch rear axle with strange axles and an aluminum center section. Additional race equipment includes Wilwood rear disc brakes, aluminum driveshaft, fuel cell, aluminum racing seat, MSD ignition system, delay box, switch panel, and complete KNR wiring. Previously powered by a 410 Windsor engine and Powerglide transmission, the car recorded a best elapsed time of 5.79 seconds. It is currently offered as a roller, providing an excellent opportunity for racers to install their preferred engine combination and return this proven Mustang to competition. 3. 1996 Chevrolet S10 Drag and Drive Setup. Price, $32,500, located, Hillsboro, Missouri. This 1996 Chevrolet S10 Drag and Drive setup is an exceptionally well-built street and strip truck designed to perform both on the racetrack and during long-distance drag and drive events. Featuring a clean title and professionally constructed chromoly chassis, the truck combines reliability, performance, and versatility into one impressive package. Weighing under 3,000 pounds without the driver, it offers an excellent power-to-weight ratio for serious racing enthusiasts. Power comes from a turbocharged 5.3-liter Chevrolet engine equipped with forged internals, upgraded cylinder heads, performance camshaft, Terminator X engine management, and an 80mm turbocharger system. The drivetrain includes a professionally built TH400 transmission and custom torque converter. Suspension upgrades include Viking shocks, Caltrax traction bars, anti-roll bar, and a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle with 40-spline spool. Additional highlights include a rear-mounted radiator, intercooler system, fuel cell, ice tank, parachute, trailer hitch, Kirky racing seats, fresh safety equipment, and custom fabrication throughout. Combining race-winning potential with real-world drivability, this S10 represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a competitive and highly refined drag-and-drive vehicle. 4. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $32,000, located, Richmond, Illinois. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu is a highly developed turbocharged street and strip machine built around one of the most popular platforms in modern drag racing. Known for its lightweight construction and strong aftermarket support, the Malibu has become a favorite among racers, and this example demonstrates exactly why. The vehicle features a clean and rust-free body while incorporating extensive performance upgrades throughout. Power is supplied by a 402 cubic inch LS-based engine equipped with AFR cylinder heads and a large turbocharger system. The combination has been professionally tuned and reportedly produced more than 900 horsepower at the rear wheels. Supporting components include an aeromotive fuel system, custom torque converter, reinforced transmission with billet internals, and advanced electronic boost control. The chassis features TRZ suspension components, anti-roll bar, AFCO adjustable shocks, chassis braces, tubular supports, and strange braking equipment. Onboard air systems and modern engine management further enhance performance and tuning capability. Combining massive horsepower, proven racing hardware, and a clean body, this Malibu offers an exceptional package for racers seeking a fast and competitive turbocharged classic. 5. 1993 Ford Mustang GT Premium Coupe. Price, $55,000, located, Falmouth, Kentucky. This 1993 Ford Mustang GT Premium Coupe is an exceptionally rare and powerful Fox body Mustang built by Roush and designed to deliver outstanding performance. Finished in green, the vehicle remains a striking example of one of the final and most desirable years of Fox body production. Carefully maintained by its longtime owner, the car combines collector appeal with serious performance capability. At the heart of the Mustang is a massive 460 cubic inch small block engine producing impressive horsepower and torque. The drivetrain has been engineered to handle substantial power while maintaining reliability and drivability. A professionally installed roll cage, tube front end, and coilover suspension system contribute to the car's outstanding performance characteristics and structural integrity. Unlike many high-performance builds, this Mustang has reportedly been driven exclusively on the street and has never been raced at the track. Its combination of rarity, performance, and careful ownership history makes it a unique offering in today's market. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this Roush-built Mustang represents a rare opportunity to own a highly specialized Fox body performance car. 6. 1985 Ford Mustang GT Hatchback. Price, $9,500, located, Crossville, Tennessee. This 1985 Ford Mustang GT Hatchback is a classic Fox body muscle car that has been upgraded with substantial big block Ford power. Built as a fun and exciting street machine, the car delivers the aggressive performance and unmistakable character that have made Fox body Mustangs favorites among enthusiasts for decades. Finished in gray, the vehicle offers a strong foundation for continued enjoyment or future customization. Power comes from a Ford 429 cubic inch big block engine paired with a built C6 automatic transmission and a high-stall torque converter. Recent maintenance includes a new electric water pump, intake system, timing components, ignition parts, starter, seals, and fresh brake-in oil. The vehicle also features a Mallory ignition system and supporting performance upgrades designed to maximize reliability and performance. The seller reports that the car starts quickly, drives well, and has been regularly enjoyed at local events and cruise nights. While some cosmetic and interior work remains, the vehicle presents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable Fox body with genuine big block performance and strong street presence. 7. 1985 Chevrolet S10 Blazer Pro Street. Price, $80,000, located, Evansville, Indiana. This 1985 Chevrolet S10 Blazer Pro Street is an extraordinary custom build that combines show-quality presentation with serious street performance. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this vehicle has undergone an extensive transformation using premium aftermarket components and professional craftsmanship. Designed as a true show-and-go machine, the Blazer delivers impressive performance while maintaining exceptional attention to detail throughout the build. Power comes from a Blueprint 383 cubic inch stroker small block Chevrolet engine topped with a WEON 671 supercharger and dual quick fuel carburetors running on E85 fuel. The engine is paired with a fully manual reverse shift TH400 transmission built to handle substantial horsepower. The suspension system features UMI Performance tubular control arms, adjustable coilovers, and a professionally engineered 4-link rear setup. A narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle with Curry components and performance differential ensures dependable power delivery. The vehicle benefits from extensive work completed by HAP Hargett Automotive Performance and includes painted stripes rather than decals. Combining show-quality appearance, supercharged performance, and professional engineering, this S10 Blazer represents an exceptional custom pro street vehicle. 8. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Price, $35,000, located, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe is a serious drag racing machine that combines iconic first-generation Camaro styling with proven race-winning performance. Finished in red with a silver interior, the vehicle maintains the aggressive appearance that has made the 1969 Camaro one of the most recognizable muscle cars ever produced. Built specifically for competition, this Camaro offers a well-sorted combination of horsepower, reliability, and track-ready equipment. Power is supplied by a massive 500 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine built around a bow tie block and fitted with Dart cylinder heads, Jezzel belt drive components, shaft-mounted rocker arms, and a dry sump oiling system. The drivetrain includes a Powerglide transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle with a strange center section. Additional race equipment includes ladder bar suspension, tube front end, racing struts, Willwood brakes, and a fire suppression system. The vehicle has earned a reputation for consistency and reliability on the drag strip. With a Kentucky title in the owner's name and extensive performance upgrades throughout, this Camaro offers a fantastic opportunity for racers seeking a proven and competitive race car. 9. 1978 Buick Regal Drag Car. Price, $9,500, located, Findlay, Ohio. This 1978 Buick Regal drag car is an affordable and highly capable race-ready platform designed for enthusiasts looking to build a competitive track machine. Retaining its original steel body construction, the car combines classic Buick styling with proven drag racing components that make it an excellent candidate for a variety of racing classes. The vehicle is offered as a roller and is ready for the installation of a suitable big block Chevrolet engine combination. The drivetrain currently includes a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a Dana 60 rear axle equipped with 4.88 gears. Supporting hardware includes racing electronics, a non-certified roll cage, lightweight plexiglass windshield and side windows, and numerous race-oriented upgrades designed to maximize performance while reducing weight. The chassis has been assembled to provide durability and consistent operation under demanding racing conditions. With an Ohio title in the seller's name and many major components already installed, this Regal offers tremendous value for racers seeking an affordable project. Its combination of lightweight construction, proven hardware, and classic Buick styling makes it a highly attractive racing platform. 10. 1972 Oldsmobile Pro Modified Hearst. Price, $31,000, located, Jackson, Michigan. This 1972 Oldsmobile Pro Modified Hearst is a professionally built race car developed by the respected team at Skinny Kid Race Cars. Designed specifically for high-level drag racing competition, this vehicle represents a serious opportunity for racers seeking a proven pro-modified platform with exceptional engineering and performance potential. The car is offered as a complete roller and includes many valuable components required for a competitive race program. Previously configured with a Hemi engine and Lenco transmission combination, the vehicle reportedly weighed approximately 2,700 pounds in race-ready trim with a driver. Its lightweight construction, advanced chassis design, and aerodynamic body make it capable of handling extreme horsepower levels while maintaining stability and consistency on the racetrack. An added benefit is the inclusion of body molds that allow replacement panels to be produced when needed. The chassis has a history of impressive performance and remains an outstanding foundation for a modern race build. Combining professional construction, proven capability, and valuable supporting equipment, this Oldsmobile Pro Modified offers exceptional value for serious drag racing enthusiasts. 11. 1971 Ford Mustang Drag Car Roller. Price, $9,500, located, Gillespie, Illinois. This 1971 Ford Mustang drag car roller is a well-equipped race platform built for competitors looking to complete a serious drag racing project. Featuring classic Mustang styling combined with extensive race-prepared hardware, this vehicle offers an excellent foundation for a high-performance build. The car has been assembled with quality components throughout and is already configured to accommodate a big block Ford engine and Powerglide transmission combination. The chassis includes a mild steel roll cage and an NHRA-certified tube front end designed to improve weight distribution and overall performance. Power is transferred through a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 5.14 Pro gears, a strange spool, and Moser 35 spline axles. Additional racing equipment includes Willwood disc brakes, strange driveshaft, KNR wiring system, B&M Pro stick shifter with electric shift solenoid, Denver delay box, MSD ignition system, electric fuel pump, fuel cell, and Optima battery. Fresh slicks, updated safety belts, and numerous supporting components are already installed. Combining proven race hardware, quality construction, and classic Mustang appeal, this roller provides an outstanding starting point for a competitive drag racing program. 12. 1990 Chevrolet Beretta Drag Car. Price, $25,000, located, Lafayette, Georgia. This 1990 Chevrolet Beretta drag car is a purpose-built race vehicle designed for serious competition and impressive performance on the drag strip. Built around a lightweight round-tube chassis, the car has been engineered to maximize speed, consistency, and durability. With a race weight of approximately 2,200 pounds without the driver, it offers an outstanding platform for racers seeking a competitive and efficient combination. The chassis features a 4-link rear suspension, anti-roll bar, QA1 double adjustable shocks, double beadlock wheels, removable front end, fiberglass doors, and Lexan windows. Much of the body has been constructed from lightweight fiberglass while retaining selected steel panels for structural balance. The vehicle is fully wired and plumbed, allowing a new owner to install a preferred big block Chevrolet engine and transmission package with minimal preparation. Additional equipment includes an MSD grid ignition system, Mega 450 electronics, Moser rear axle components, 4.86 gears, and motor plate mounting provisions. Currently capable of supporting highly competitive elapsed times, this Beretta represents an exceptional opportunity for racers seeking a lightweight and professionally prepared drag racing platform.